Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to hotspot on your iPhone. If you want to use your phone as a hotspot, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon for more future updates like this. If you want to set up a personal hotspot on your iPhone, then here's how to do it. Go to Settings on your iPhone by tapping the Settings menu. Once you end up in the Settings page, from your Settings menu, tap on Cellular. Toggle the button right next to Cellular Data and tap on the Personal Hotspot. Here, you can turn on your personal hotspot by toggling on the button right next to Allow others to join. Here, you can set your Wi-Fi password. Tap on the Wi-Fi password in order to customize your password. The password should be at least 8 characters long. Simply erase the password and type in the new password that you'd like to customize. Once you're done, tap on Done. Your passwords can consist of both lowercases, letters, uppercases letters, and numbers. Once you've entered the password, tap on Done at the top right hand corner. You've now set up a personal hotspot on your Android device. If you want to activate it in the future quickly, then you can find it in your control center. Swipe from the top of the screen and this will open up your control center. You can press hold onto the network setting card and now tap on Personal Hotspot option. Once it turns green, you've enabled the personal hotspot on your iPhone. It can be turned off by pressing it again, and that is how you can easily use your iPhone as a hotspot. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.